Boom shakalaka, here we go, Bitcoin and altcoins, stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Happy New Year to everybody out there. And today's video, here we go, Bitcoin and altcoins, exactly why. Before we get into it guys, like the video, join us on Twitter at Crypto Love, and come subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos every day since 2017, except for yesterday. So today, Fear and Greed Index at 66. Down sideways from yesterday, down from last week, down from last month. Right now, just regular, ordinary run-of-the-mill greed. The overall market sideways, Bitcoin 93,555, Ethereum 3334, XRP 213, and you can read the rest. Now, Bitcoin breaking below both the 21 EMA and 50-day moving average. As a matter of fact, the 21 EMA, this blue line, is crossing below the 50-day moving average. The last time that happened was back here, which was after the worst of the losses. But the time before that happened, well, price did go down from 64 all the way down to $53,000. And the time before that, well, it went down from potentially 59 to 56. So we may still have a bit of correction occurring. There is nice, strong support right here. We have previous trendline support. We also have support from back here in December. So if price does make it down to those levels, likely $88,000 would be the nice support if we don't see it at $90,000 big even right there. Now, today is a new day for Bitcoin, and every day is a possibility for a brand new thing. Well, new yearly candle for Bitcoin. If we repeat this simple cycle theory, then 2025 will be the strongest year for crypto and another green year. That's right, the third year. Historically, very nice years for Bitcoin. Hopefully, another nice big green candle. As a matter of fact, post-halving years are bullish. What year was last year? A halving year. That would make this year a post-halving year. Even the crabby 2021, where we got wicked off hardcore, still had a profit of 135%. The other ones where we didn't get wicked off, 1,800%, 9,200%, with a lot of catalysts on the table, ongoing mass adoption, supply shock. We expect 2025 to be as bullish as 2024 was. They say, hey, peak estimate, $250,000 to $300,000 Bitcoin. Oh my goodness, let's freaking go. Everybody wants to retire with meme coin, moon Lambos, and all that fun stuff. Now, Bitcoin is still on track. The monthly candle did close above the 38.2 fib level at $80,500, which means that this bull run is still intact, just has retraced to 38.2 fib level a couple times. This is the fourth time it did it. And so, onward and upward. Taking a long view, dips are for buying. And if we take a look at this cycle top finder, it does not appear like we're anywhere near the cycle top. And if you notice the Bitcoin price, it continues to go up forever because it's compared to US dollars, which is an infinite supply of an infinity divided by anything, is still, at least the last time I checked math and the last time my ChatGPT was updated, is still infinity. So, that being said, the last time Bitcoin was set up like this was 4 years ago, almost to the day. We had a few things happening. We had 4+ weeks of Bitcoin all-time highs. We had Ethereum within 20% of previous all-time highs. We had Bitcoin dominance beginning to drop off. We had DOGECOIN hitting its first plateau. All of these things, this set up perfectly. Same thing happening right now. And this setup led to 4 months of a market-wide expansion. Could we have that from now until May, and then you sell in May and get the F away because that's when things crash? Well, maybe. I don't know. But 2025, take a look at this, the Bitcoin spiral. We are finally in the best part of the spiral where all these black dots are. Now, what are the black dots? They are all-time highs. Historically, this is the year when all-time highs happen. So we would expect, and this is the $100,000 line right here. So we would expect all-time highs breaking above $100,000 between there and $1 million. Let's freaking go, Bitcoin. And to all those bears out there who are like, it's too late. I can't, I should have bought Bitcoin when it was $1, when it was $3, when it was $10, $100, $1,000, $10,000, $15,000, $50,000, or anything less than where it is right now. To all those people, a smart reminder that the smart no coiner friends say they're always too late to Bitcoin and then they never invest. But showing them this, right now there's 200 million Bitcoin users worldwide. That's 2.5% of the world's population. That would still be the very early cusp, the innovators, not even the early adopters, the early majority, late majority laggards. And remember, the internet was here once too, when, there were a few people who would use, like, what were these things? Napster, and I don't remember what else, but people were like, oh, what's that www thing? What's that A with the squiggly around it? What's all that? Well, that's kind of where we are with Bitcoin right now. So maybe we might see a nice peak in Bitcoin price as the adoption continues. Now, Bitcoin has hit $100,000, has somewhat stalled there, but a nice reminder that the altcoin market peaks after Bitcoin and macro tops with consistent lag. Leveraging it can maximize altcoin gains. Taking a look here, there is the possibility that we might have a nice alt season coming after this lag in Bitcoin prices. As a matter of fact, today is the day. History tells us the candle that starts today is for altcoins. If we take a look, these are 6-month candles. Every 7 bars begins a new alt season. This is Bitcoin dominance dropping off to the red. Well, guess what? Not only do we hit trendline resistance, but the next candle would suggest a nice red drop in Bitcoin dominance, 7 bars, just like each time previously. Alt season beginning today. Now, Ethereum, huge golden cross on the horizon, the 100 and 250 SMA could be the start for the Ethereum price spike. Not only that, we have Solana about to break out from this triangle wedge structure that the last time it did this, major alt season, major price move, and another favorite, DOGECOIN, repeating its pattern once again, breakout from their wedge, double bottomish structure, and then massive rally. We'll take a look at this. We've had it all except for the massive rally. Altcoins to the moon starting today. So that's all for this episode. If you want to check out some crypto price predictions for 2025 at the end of this cycle, check out that playlist right up there. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.